A new flagship competitor is here for the review, the OnePlus 15. There are a few things that will actually blow your mind. To know, watch this video till the end. I'm your host Harshit Arora. Let's get started. Starting with the OnePlus 13s, OnePlus has adopted this new design. It looks more minimalistic and classy. The soft touch matte finish feels premium and you don't need to worry about using a case. Despite having a large form factor, this phone is well balanced. I really like using it even single-handedly. The 6.78-inch LTPO panel comes with 165Hz refresh rate, which gives you clear and smooth viewing experience. The touch response rate is superb, something you will notice while using the fingerprint sensor. With almost no bezel, you get a bigger display to enjoy your content, but there is a catch. The screen resolution has been decreased. The display is visible in both outdoor and indoor conditions. It pops the colors nicely and maintains the white and black balance. So even if you are into horror movies, you won't complain about the display. The OnePlus 15 comes with a flagship chipset paired with high-speed RAM and storage, delivering really good performance for gamers. I tried playing all high-end games like BGMI, Genshin Impact and Shadow Fight 4 at the highest graphics settings, and trust me, the device does not struggle. The new thermal cooling system keeps the phone cool while gaming or using the camera, but in case you somehow manage to heat it up, you can use this 27-watt magnetic cooler to cool it down even faster, and it is so much fun. But yes, you have to buy it separately. Well, coming back to the phone, app opening and app switching works perfectly. You can multitask or handle normal day-to-day tasks without any hassle. But we tested this device even more before coming to any verdict, so we ran multiple tests and all the results are on your screen. It scored 37 lakh on N22 benchmark, which is really good, and even in 3D Mark tests, you get good stability. Lastly, I tried video editing softwares on this phone and the output rate is faster than many other smartphones. The all-new OxygenOS16 is really cool. You get live wallpaper effect, you can customize icon as you like, and it even supports third-party app customization. All of this makes your phone look more attractive. Now let's talk about the camera. The OnePlus 15 comes with a 50+50+50 megapixel triple rear camera setup and a 32 megapixel front shooter. The camera performance is superb in good lighting condition. Even in ultra-wide mode, you can see all the details nicely and crop the image as per your need. The portrait pictures are my favorite from this phone. It detects the edges very precisely and gives you good bokeh effect, and you can zoom between 1x to 3.5x. You can even use it to capture nightlife photos with good clarity and dynamic range. And the 120x zoom gives you the power to sneak a peek, but we strongly suggest you don't use it that way. Moving on to the front camera now, selfie photos are detailed with good dynamic range as well, and the best part is that you get natural skin tone in almost all lighting conditions, be it daylight or nightlight. Even in portrait mode, you get an option for wide selfies, and trust me, the selfie portraits are insta ready. You can directly post them without any editing. This phone is capable of recording up to 8K 30 FPS, but if you switch to ultra steady mode, then you can only go up to 4K 60 FPS. And from the front, you can record up to 4K 60 FPS. But again, if you switch to ultra steady mode, then it will downgrade to 1080p 30 FPS. Video results are stable from the main lens, colors are accurate with sharp and clear details. You can use it for content creation. With 120-watt fast charging support, the 7300 mAh battery can fully charge from 0 to 100% in approximately 50 minutes. This phone also supports 50-watt wireless charging. After a full day of multitasking, calls, office work and gaming, the phone still had around 40% battery left, enough to play 2 or 3 rounds of BGMI with your friend. So overall, the battery is really reliable. Now it's time for the verdict. The OnePlus 15 is a strong flagship competitor with powerful specs, a capable camera system and a battery that comfortably lasts more than a day even with heavy use. Well, what do you think? Do let us know in the comment section. Subscribe to Gadget 360 for more such unbiased reviews.